timer. There she is. Oh, shit. Oily. Oily. I can't take this no more.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you enjoyed the last installment of the engine rebuild series. In this installment, we're going to be focusing on measuring everything out, cleaning all the parts, and getting it prepped for all the machining to come.
Good! Game on! Game on!
So if you like this type of stuff, I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe, like, and share the videos. I'm really shooting for 1,000 subscribers, and it'd be a really big help if you could support me in that way. So, hope you like everything, and we'll see you in the video.
Two 2,000 years later.
Did I do that?